heard that to win a scholarship you need to apply to a dozen first, or that someone finally got one after years of trying? Through this, time isn't the key factor, strategy is. And with the right strategy, you can succeed on your very first try. Many people say, take your time, but it doesn't matter whether you write your application in a year or in one night. The one who presents themselves best wins. And that's not an education problem, it's an opportunity problem. Our solution is Probe, a postgraduate resource and opportunity bridging engine. Probe uses two agents, one for the CV and one for the motivation letter. By improving both, the user can realistically reach the pre-selection stage. Why agents? Let's imagine using a normal chatbot like Gemini for this. Your instructions will be like, review, score, improve, repeat. Review, score, improve, repeat. Review, score, improve, repeat. At every step, it loses context. A chatbot responds. An agent understands, remembers, and shapes your profile. Let's start with the CV agent. Users submit their CV. We analyze how it's written, format, order clarity, and key improvements. This becomes a structured reporting agent. In parallel, two inference agents work on implicit data, connecting dots in the user history or researching projects and institutions via Google search. All this feeds into an agent that summarizes what can be inferred about a candidate. With explicit summary and inferred summary combined, we send everything to a writer agent and a wow agent that boosts impact and storytelling. For the demo, we load a CV via code. The system contains a parallel agent inside a sequence inside another sequence. We run the pipeline, get the results, and since it's long, we simply extract the final CV in Markdown. Okay, now we move to the motivation letter agent, which works very differently. Here we have parallel agents researching the program goals and its students, again with Google search. This merges into a sequence with comparison and question generation agents. The flow investigates the program, compares the candidate to the ideal profile, and generates targeted questions to fill the gaps. The user answers them. With those answers, a draft motivation letter is produced. Then it enters a scoring loop. If it doesn't reach a 9 out of 10, it improves up to 5 times, resulting in a polished, competitive letter. This pipeline includes human in the loop, coordinated by a main agent. It treats the first half of the sequence as a tool agent and the final half the same way. The first block generates the questions. We run the module, it executes correctly. The second block runs the refinement loop. It scores the letter, raises from 30 to 90, and meets the second star score. This move works as expected. And here's the final execution. We call the orchestrator as the main agent. Pause the initial letter and the user's answers, and successfully run a multi-agent architecture with a few human-in-the-loop workflow. Thank you.